Hey everyone, so I am back with another video. I know that I haven't really been posting a whole lot lately, and I'm sorry for that, but I am trying to get together some ideas for videos that I would like to do and show you guys and everything. I am wanting to do a plan with me, but the concept of a plan with me kind of scares me a little bit, so give it a little time and I may end up doing it. But if you want me to do that, just leave a comment down below. But for today, we are going to be doing an unboxing. This kind of came as a surprise for me because I had kind of forgotten that this had shipped. So I intentionally did not look at any of the preview stuff for what was going to be in here. So this is going to be a complete surprise for me and you. So let's break it open. Ooh, it's really bright. So let's see, I think it says Fun Fair. So let's open up the package. All right. So here, just first thing I see, got a little flaw on this pen. It looks like the text was kind of overset on it a few times because I know that it's supposed to say Planners Anonymous, but I think it might have just been stamped one too many times. That's okay though. And then you've got this beautiful coral. It's kind of a glittery look to it, and then your little jewels inside. It's very pretty. And then you've got 3 washi tapes. They always include 3 washi tapes in 3 different sizes. So we've got the skinny washi here that's got just a bunch of dots on it. This would probably be fun to use as like a checklist of some sort. So I may use it for that. And then you've got your what I would say a normal size washi tape, and it looks like tickets, which is super cute. And then your large washi has just a carousel on it, which is super pretty. So those are super cute. And then you've got your ink. So your ink is going to be in the same coordinating color as this, so it's going to be a really pretty coral. And then you've got your little sequins in here. And then you've got your little hello, welcome to Planners Anonymous, little dolly die cut. She's eating cotton candy. Super cute. And then here you've got your tabs. And they actually come with this little white spot here that you can just stick your label right on, which is really cool. So you've got pink tabs, blue tabs, and kind of a corally orange. So you get 6 tabs in each set. You'll get 2 of each color, and then the back side is just plain white. So that's really cute if you want to label things. And then, as you know, this is like one of those little slide things that kids play on. I'm just gonna snip the top of that off and use this as a die cut of some sort. And then here we've got our journaling cards. Whoops. So your little packaging here has pretty little cotton candies on it. And then your journaling cards. Look at life through the eyes of a child at a carnival. You're more fun than a roller coaster. Life is the greatest show on earth. Step up, enjoy the ride. Let go of what's holding you back. Have fun, play the game. So you've got a set of 6 little journaling cards there. And then you've got your package of die cuts. Alright, so the back one has just a beautiful sunset carnival look to it by a beach. And then you've got all of your girls. So you always get one that coordinates with this, except for some reason this one, she doesn't have eyes, but on the actual die cut itself, she does. So she's super cute. Oh, look at that little unicorn bag she's carrying. That's super, super cute. Then all of the little balloons. A little sign. You got 2 little cotton candies. These look like little plushes that you probably win with the games. Some tickets. You get 3 little tickets. And more little plushies. Look how cute the little unicorn is, oh my god. And snow cone. Sweet like cotton candy. And then a beautiful carousel. Next we have got our stickers. So you'll get repeats of some of the die cuts and then some. So we've got a bunch of tickets here, some cute little signs, a big sign. You're more fun than a roller coaster, more of those signs, balloons, and then your 2 girls. And we have a 3rd little girl here, step up, enjoy the ride, bottle toss, start game, carousel, all kinds of different little deco stickers. And then I love that she's been including this sticker here, which is a foldable one. It is a 3D, so you're able to open it up just like a traveler's notebook, and you can actually write on the inside here, which looks really cool whenever you open it up. And then you've got all of your Monday through Friday daily stickers, weekend, and then she left one that was blank, which is nice. And then here are your labels for to go on your tabs. And then ooh, this must be the next one. I bet you anything this is the next sub box that's coming. And you can put this is super cute. This is a little bit different than what she's usually been putting in. So we've got the Traveler's Notebooks, some Happy Mail boxes, a Happy Mail little sticker there, and then this is new and this is new. So that's really, really cute. So you'll get 4 sticker sheets, which is super nice. And then you get a set of stamps, and I finally broke this out and actually used one set of my stamps and really enjoyed it. I love these clear stamps. You can clean them, reuse them. You can see precisely where they lay down, which is wonderful. And yeah, we've got our planner meetup this weekend, and I'm probably going to purge some of my wooden stamps because I would much rather have these clear ones because they are so much more compact. You can see easily, and they're just, I really, really love them a lot. And now we have our papers. So we've got a cotton candy print, and then a cute little slide print, and these are double-sided, so you can use either side. And we've got these fun little dots here, and then it looks like a roller coaster, all in watercolor, just gorgeous. And then we've got the sunset beach carnival theme. Okay, maybe I'm just dark, which I am, but like this reminds me of Lost Boys, which is one of my favorite movies. But I really kind of love this for that reason. I don't know how I would ever incorporate like a darker theme in here, but this is what it reminds me of. It reminds me of Lost Boys. So fun stuff. And then you've just got this beautiful watercolor print that is just all of the colors that she used for this box, just all together. So very, very pretty. As I've said before in previous Planners Anonymous videos, I love this box. I love the beautiful watercolor themes that you get with this. So you get 6 papers, 3 washi tapes, an ink, a little sequin jar, a set of stamps, 4 sticker sheets, all of these die cuts, tabs, a pen, and 6 journaling cards. All for, in my opinion, a pretty good price. You've got to consider that this is coming from Australia, so if you are native to Australia, you know, this is a wonderful sub box. But even those of us that are in the US, actually I think that we get free shipping here in the US. I cannot remember. But anyway, I will leave the link down below for the Planners Anonymous box. I'm guessing this is a preview for next month. So yeah, I actually may do some kind of a fun little thing of how I would use this kit and set it up in my planner. I don't know. I need to think on it for a few days. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.